Here is question number 19. In a test, there are 90 questions. 4 marks are awarded for a correct answer. 2 are deducted for a wrong answer. 1 is deducted for an unattempted question. Anil gets 144 marks in the test. If the number of questions attempted wrong and attempted correctly by him were both prime numbers, then find the number of questions that he did not attempt. Okay. So there are total of 90 questions. Some questions are right, for which you get 4 marks. Some questions are wrong, for which you get a penalty of 2. Some questions are unattempted, for which you get a penalty of 1. Let us say there are R number of right questions plus W number of wrong questions plus U number of unattempted questions, and total number of questions is 90. Right plus wrong plus unattempted is equal to 90. For every right answer, you get 4 marks, so the total marks is 4R. For every wrong, there is a penalty of 2, so minus 2W. For every unattempted, there is a penalty of 1, so minus U. This whole is equal to the marks obtained, and marks obtained are given as 144. So this final score comes out to be 144. If I just add the two equations, I get 4R plus R is equal to 5R. Minus 2W plus W is minus W. U and U cancel out and I get 234. So 5R minus W is 234, or in other words, I can say 5R is equal to 234 plus W. Now R and W should be so chosen in a way such that 234 plus W becomes a multiple of 5, right? Question says the number of right answers and number of wrong, right? He says the number of questions attempted correctly by him were both prime numbers. How many questions he did not attempt? So right and wrong are prime numbers. Question is asking you what is the number of unattempted in such a case. Let's make a few cases here. What can be the value of W? W can be 1, that makes it a multiple of 5, but 1 is not prime. The next value that can make it a multiple of 5 is 6, but 6 is not prime. The next value that can make it a multiple of 5 is 11. So if I put 11 over here, 234 plus 11 is 245, and 245 by 5 is 49. Now 49 is not prime. The next value is 16, but 16 is not prime. The next value is 21, that is also not prime. The next value is 26, it is not prime. The next value is 31, which is prime. So wrong can be 31. And when I put 31 over here, 234 plus 31 gives me 265. So the number of right answers is 53, which also is a prime number. So what the question asked for, it satisfies here. 53 rights are there, 31 wrongs are there. 53 plus 31, that makes it 84. The remaining 6 questions must be unattempted. That becomes the right answer for us. Now you might have this question, sir, why did we not check after this? We might have another case. If we have another case, the answer to this question would be cannot be determined, and that is not possible for a question which is a theta question. So there has to be no other case. You don't need to check. Of course, but after going home, you can check it, but during the exam time, you can save your time just by stopping here and saying the number of unattempted questions is 6.